Okay, we're about to get started.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing Subtle Glam on Lilly for her graduation party. So I'm just taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light neutral and I'm pressing that on her eyes to prep her eyes for eyeshadow with a damp beauty sponge. Just evening that out with a brush and patting the sponge again, and then I'm going to take an eyeshadow brush and just pat on Maybelline FitMe Translucent powder. This is going to set the eyelids for her shadows to go on seamlessly and to blend well. This is a bigger brush, it's super fluffy, and I'm just going in her crease with a light brown shade and making this my transition color. We're doing an all matte look today, so it's nothing too crazy, and you can definitely even use a bronzer for this look. So I'm just going in windshield wiper motions and blending that out all into her crease, and I am using the Natasha Denona Glam palette for this look. And now I'm going in with another Morphe brush. It's way more flexible than the other big fluffy brush, but I'm going in with a darker brown shade from that same palette just to give it a little, like, I guess just a little bit more glam to the matte look, because I feel like all matte can get a reputation like, oh, it's just kind of boring, but we really wanted to like spice this one up a little bit. So I darkened out her creases, and now I am putting on her eyelashes. And for lashes, we use the Ardell Naked Lash. I love these. They look like eyelash extensions, and they go onto the eyelids so well. Like, they blend with the lash line so well. So now that those lashes are on, I'm going in with another Morphe brush and blending out that eye one more time. And I did take the light brown shade just to blend it out a little bit more. The next thing I'm going to do is take a disposable mascara wand, and I'm just going to run some mascara through Lilly's lashes. This not only puts, obviously, mascara on the lashes and makes them more dramatic, it also blends the lash line, like of the natural lashes, with the eyelashes, and it allows them not to stick, like the glue not to stick, and I just think it blends the lashes very seamlessly. To prep Lilly's face for foundation, I'm going to go in with the Weleda Skin Food in the Ultra Rich formula. I love this stuff. Makeup sticks so well to it, and it just really hydrates the skin when it needs it. Okay, so today on Lilly's face, we're going to prime her face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I love this stuff. It's great for all skin types. It just creates that blur on the skin that makes it great for photography, pictures, no flashback. It's just really great on the skin. And next, I'm taking my favorite, Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation on Lilly's skin, and I think I used the shade 6 on her. I love this stuff. I'm just rubbing that in, or not rubbing, we do not rub. I'm just bouncing that in with a damp beauty sponge. concealer, we are going under Lilly's eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape in light neutral, and I'm just dabbing that under her eyes just to conceal a little bit and brighten. I love to brighten. We didn't go too heavy because obviously we just wanted a more natural look for Lilly's grad party, but I love this color to brighten up the under eye. Now for my favorite part, I love cream contour, so I'm of course going to use my RCMA foundation palette, and using a brush to put this on Lilly, we are going to blend it in and then have a little base for our contour. I love this technique. I do it all the time, but I just stipple it in with this Real Techniques brush, and it gives a flawless bronze look before you even put bronzer on. Taking the Maybelline FitMe Translucent Compact Powder and putting that under Lilly's eyes, exactly where I put the concealer, and I'm going to put some on her nose, her forehead, and her chin, just all over those areas that can be a bit oily or tend to move a lot. Like, I don't want the foundation to move once it's set with this powder. And now, using that same powder, I'm taking a big powder brush and I'm just dabbing the powder all over Lilly's face where there's foundation, cream contour, anything that there is liquid, I am going to set it with this powder. Now for bronzer, I am taking the Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Powder in the shade Mocha 360, and I'm just taking an angled Morphe brush and putting bronzer where I put her cream contour. So I'm going to bronze her forehead, her nose, her cheekbone. After the bronzer, I am going in with another angled brush and going in with the Cover FX blush on Lilly's cheeks, right on top of that bronzer. Now I'm highlighting Lilly's cheekbones, forehead, and her nose with the Benefit Cookie Highlighter. I love highlight because it just adds a glow to a really, really simple look and makes it just pop a little bit more. I used to not like highlighter, but I just feel like it makes a look now. For brows, I'll be using the NYX Lift and Snatch. Lilly has really, really good eyebrows already. Like, they don't take a lot of filling in, and we also wanted to keep it natural, so I'm just using the NYX Lift and Snatch, and I will list all these products below. I also went in with a brow pencil, and the brand is Loreal, so I will also list this below, and I believe the color is in blonde. And after finishing brows, I'm just going in with the I'm taking the Mocha shade that we use for Lilly's bronzer, and I'm putting that under her eyes just as an under eye liner type thing, and we're just going to blend that out and then go in with some mascara on her bottom lashes. Taking that same cookie highlighter, we are going to go highlight her brow bone and the inner corner of her eyes with a flat Morphe brush. And lastly, we are lining Lilly's lips with the Kylie lip liner. I'm pretty sure it is the Kylie lip kit, and the shade is actually called Kylie, but I will link it below if I'm wrong. And then we are going in with Creme Cup by MAC on a disposable lip brush, and I'm just going to do that right under the liner so that we can have the darker outline of the lip. I love that look. I really like this lip combo, so to top it all off, we're going to go in with the NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. This is the finished look. I hope y'all love it. I'm so thankful that Lilly let me film this for you guys. I love it. It's super simple, super glam. Let me know if you have any ideas for my next video. Love y'all.